Next, they're gonna show my movie.
You made a movie?
I made a movie? No wonder I was on the cover of Entertainment Weekly.
Brilliant, savagely honest, tender. He has the soul of a poet.
You're very kind.
Excuse me, did something crawl down your throat and die?
It didn't die.